Modern Math second semester benchmark review assignment. Question 1. The length of a rectangle is 5 times its width. If the width of the rectangle is 2 inches, what is the rectangle's area in square inches? Well, this involves two different formulas. Perhaps two different formulas. Yeah, because it's relating the width to the length, and it's also having us find the area. So let's remember first the area of a rectangle is length times width. So if the length is 5 times the width and the width is 2, I'm going to write that information over here. The width is 2. The length is 5 times that, so the length is the width times 5, which is 10. Then what is the area? The area will be the length times the width, which is 10 times 2, or 20 square inches. Number 2, if you drove at an average speed of 42 miles per hour, what distance did you drive in 2 hours? For this problem, we're going to use distance equals rate times time. So distance driven, if we go at a rate of 42 miles per hour for 2 hours, is going to be 84 miles. "90 minutes is an hour and a half. So that would be 42 times 1.5, because it's 1.5 hours. So that would be 63 miles. What distance did you drive in 30 minutes? That would be half of an hour. So that would be 42 times a half hour. So a half of 42 is 21. So in a half hour, you would drive 21 miles. This question makes us use this formula a little bit different way. How long will it take you to drive 103 miles? So let's take our formula, distance equals rate times time, and let's solve it for t. So t will equal the distance divided by the rate, because if we want t by itself, we're going to divide both sides by r. So distance divided by rate, so we'll take 103 miles, divide by our rate of 42 miles per hour. I'm going to use a calculator for that. So I would get 103 divided by 42, which is 2.45 hours. So like 2.5 hours, right? If you want to be more specific than that, then you can take the 0.45 and you can multiply by 60, because there's 60 minutes in an hour. And that tells us that that's 27 minutes. So our final answer for this could be as accurate as saying 2 hours, 27 minutes.